Well done, well done, well done. Really good. For your trains, that's it, nice and obvious. At the lights, we're going to turn right. Okay, so one car's out in the intersection, we wait behind the line. If you're out in the middle waiting for traffic and the light goes red, then you must leave as soon as possible.
Okay.
So they should be right out in the middle. We had plenty of time. We could have gone, but that's okay. Excellent. Really good. So yeah, anything like that, if you think it's unsafe, yeah, just hold back. If there's no cars behind you and you hesitate, they generally won't mark you down. If there's traffic behind you and you're a little bit uncertain or too cautious, they might mark you down. But it's better than doing something, failing to give way. Okay. All right, we're on a bit of a hill.
Oh my God!
I'm going to get you to go to gear 1. Okay. Clutch in all the way to the floor. Find gear 1, so your clutch is right in, that's good. Now, slowly bring your clutch out. If I do it like this, when your foot just comes off the floor, count 1, 2, we're at friction point, take your foot off the brake, go onto your accelerator a little bit.
Oh wait, where is my,
That's it, yeah, it's probably a little bit different to the other car. Yeah, there you go, so that's how we do it. Now, do you know about your rev counter?
no.
It's like the heartbeat, think of your heart monitor for the car.
Yep.
So when we get up to about 2, while we're at this stage, to get to 2, we can change to the next gear. So we're listening to the engine noise,
Yep.
or get to 2. When we're going uphill, you might have to go up to 2.5 or 3, because the reason we're revving the engine is to pick up speed and power. Going uphill, if we push our clutch in, you watch this, take your foot off the accelerator. As soon as I put my clutch in and go to change gears, see how slow we've got?
Yeah.
So that's why generally going uphill, we're moving off, that's it, and so generally we'll go over 2, we're going to go up, I'm just listening, and now we've got a lot more revs than normal, clutch in, gear 2, smoothly let the clutch out,
Yeah.
okay? So we're in gear 2, I'll let you have the accelerator, you've got the pedals, okay? And we're just going to keep on powering like on a push bike, pedal, 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 we're going to go wide. Now you can slow it down. Once you get to the top, that's it. Now what we have to do here is indicate and shoulder check. So later on your test, they'll expect to see those 2 things.
Okay.
Do you know about your points you lose in your test?
No, not really yet.
So on test day, you're allowed 8 points to lose, 8 little errors you can make.
Yeah.
So if you didn't do the indicator and a shoulder check,
Do you do that on every?
Yeah, boy.
slow it down, slow it down. Alright, we're going to have to take our... we have to back up, okay? Alright, back it up. So we're going to have to go over that way, okay? Alright. That's it. So we're going to have to look in your mirror. Can we go over your way? Alright, now I want you to full lock to me. Full lock. That's it. Good man. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. And stop. Full lock to you. In gear 1, full lock. And around we go. There we go.
Straight up.
We're going to go straight up, yep. Alright, go to number 3 for me. Oh, clutch has to be right. You got it, you got it. Yes,
I got it.
Yep, that's it. That's it, good job.
There we go. sometimes I like don't put the clutch in fully.
Mm-hmm.
Like I almost get it fully, but not quite.
Yeah, yeah.
Which I need to work on that. So I need to push it down fully.
Most certainly, yeah. It's a bit like leaving your fingers in the drawer as you're putting a spoon back in and you shut the drawer before your hands hit.
Yeah, you don't want to do that.
Alright, we need gear 2. Feel the car slowing right down. Ease your clutch out, plenty of power, so if we've timed it nicely.
Yep, I think we have.
Really good. Excellent. We're going to go up that hill.
Oh,
Okay. So you've got to check that it's all safe that way. There's no one there, and around you go. Alright, plenty of power for me about now. Heaps of power, flat out.
like that.
That's it, flat out.
Oh, I can feel it. I'm like going flat out.
Yeah.
And then,
Yep, so this is all timing, knowing, looking ahead, giving yourself information what the car needs to do. Right up to the top, keep it going, keep it going.